close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome to the kitchen with Savannah and Kate. We are just cooking some burrito bowls. We've got beans. And yeah, it rained today. And yeah, classic London. We've also got muesli for breakfast. It's very economical like that. That bag of muesli cost £2.30. The breakfast here costs £3 a day. Or £4 if you pay off the
along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, so this is like a secret to cheap lunch and then a nice place to sit inside in winter. So we went to Sainsbury's and got the meal deal, some veggie crisps and a sandwich, and I got a San Pellegrino because I'm trying to be healthy. And then we came to McDonald's and got hot drinks for £1.50. So yeah, so altogether for £4.50, you know, got a nice lunch, a warm place to sit, and a hot drink. So yeah.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello peeps, we are just at the British Museum now. We've just been here for like the last hour. As you saw, what did we do?
Mummies.
We saw some mummies and lots of pots and fun stuff. And yeah, today we went to the Camden Market this morning and tubed into town, had cheap lunch at McDonald's, Yeah, and then we're going to the theatre tonight. We're going to get burgers for dinner, we think. Maybe we'll see what we can find, or maybe something else. And yeah, we got £18 theatre tickets for tonight to, what are we seeing? A comedy about a bank robbery, I think that was the name. Yeah, it's been a very packed day, but also very chilled. And it's been raining all day, but I've been using my raincoat, I've got gloves and a beanie for like £2.50 from Primark. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Alright, see you in a bit.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Hello fam, it is freezing, but we've come to run for the day. I look like a nugget with this beanie on, but I have 5 layers on right now because it's so freaking cold. Yeah, we're just going to walk around the markets, around the lanes and stuff. Savannah hasn't been here before. I have, obviously, if you've watched my other videos. But yeah, let's go.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop the